Ryan Smith REO, 5760 Park in Cicero. You can tell from the block, it's all similar multi-unit buildings. This house here was a jungle before. We really cleaned a lot of this up the day we did the cash for keys. So you can see that all that's gone now. I mean, you can see the building. There was one point where you couldn't see it at all. You got a big multi-unit next door, commercial city plant there, and some smaller single-family homes across the street. So it is in a row of multi-units. It kind of backs up next to another multi-unit here. So all the brickwork on the building we'll really get to look at. But we'll start here in the front. All the windows need to be replaced. The roof, as you can tell from the interior video you watch, the inside's in rough shape too. Town of Cicero boarded that up. This step here is not within code. If you see how much of a jump off it is, you got some damages here to the concrete. See the trim on these windows. More peeling paint's up there. So all this concrete works, needs to be done. We're gonna swing around here, come down the driveway. Cracked driveway, see all that? Come this way, see the side of the building. A lot of masonry and tuck pointing needs to be done. You can tell once you get up on it. If you look behind the house backs up right to the train tracks. So just want to give you a really good close look at this brickwork here. All the tuck pointing needs to be done. All older windows. I mean, the building is a complete gut, top to bottom. The interior of the building needs to be stripped to the studs and redone. New roof, new windows. These porches, though, are the biggest concern. So if you see this rear porch, exposed elements, very corroded, very unstable. You can see here, it's gonna detach from the house. This needs to come off. I mean, I don't even want to have it showings with people walking or even tempting to walk out there. It's gonna be expensive to come off though, so it's a decision we have to make what's best, but it's a huge safety hazard. So come around here, you see the train tracks in the back. You got a 2-car garage, more asphalt issues. Garage door needs to be replaced. Soffits, peeling paint. Then we'll continue on this back of the building. So this rear porch, there was a porch off of here, which we got rid of because it was a larger safety concern. But now we need to make a decision what we're doing with this. That door is secured shut. You can't get out of it. That's why we don't have a landing there. It's secure from the inside. But I mean, you can tell here, there's no stairs on the interior of this. It's in pretty rough shape, guys. But we need to make a decision if we want to take it off the house, leave it, let the buyer deal with it. You got some tuck pointing issues up there on the chimney. If you walk around the side of the house here, I mean, you get the same type of brick issues that you had on the opposite side with tuck pointing. So I mean, condition's a big problem here. This rear porch is a big concern. The garage is in rough shape, backs up to train tracks. Light industrial building over there. Ton of work needed on this house. It is going to be one of the worst condition homes in the market. It needs a top to bottom gut rehab. I mean, from the roof to the foundation, everything needs to be done in this building. But we'll get to working on the values. Hope these videos provide you a better look. Ryan Smith REO. Have a wonderful day.